In this video, I'll show you how to send an invoice in PayPal to go and collect payments. So I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on the mobile app as well. So the first thing you need to do is go and log in with your PayPal account. And once you're signed in this left-hand side, you'll see the option to create an invoice. Now, if you don't see this, just click on more. And then if you scroll down, you should see the invoice section from here. So I'm just going to click on create an invoice. And now you'll need to start filling out the information for this invoice. Enter either the email address or the name of the recipient. You can then go and add an item name. So I'm just going to call this online services. You can then go and add a price for your invoice and press save. Now we can click on the drop down arrow and go and select the item that we just created. You can decide whether you want to add a description to the invoice as well. This is optional. And you can also add multiple items here. I'm just going to leave it as the one. Then finally scroll down to the bottom and you can decide whether you want to leave a note on the invoice. You can also add a reference number as well. And you can also add terms and conditions. If you click on the drop down arrow next to more options, you can also upload attachments and also make notes for yourself on this invoice. I'm just going to leave this as the default. And once you finish, we can scroll up in the top right hand side. You can then go and set an invoice number, go and select today's date, and then go and select a payment date. So I'm going to select within 10 days, I want this invoice to be paid. Decide whether you want to set up partial payments. So this can be useful if you want to allow deposits or something like that. And once you finish, we can press send in the top navigation. So once you've sent this person will be notified via their email address and they'll be able to pay this invoice directly from the PayPal link. So what you can do as well is you can click on the three vertical dots here. You can click on share link. And then what you can do is go and send this link directly over to whoever needs to pay it. So if I go and paste this in, for example, you can see that this is what the invoice looks like and they'll be able to pay it directly from this website. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next